We'll guide you through how to make a PDF with multiple images. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll guide you through how to make a PDF with multiple images on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because perhaps you're trying to go and put these somewhere and upload them somewhere and the accepted format is a PDF, or there's another reason why. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. First of all, you can right click on your desktop, hover over new, and you can press folder. Just go and create a folder and you can then open it up. Then what you want to do is go and right click on your file explorer at the bottom and open up another by clicking file explorer and drag the photos you want to do this with into a folder. Just go and have them all together. I've already got that here. I've got a folder with the images in I want to do this with. Now what you need to do is go and select these. So you can go and click, hold and drag, or press Ctrl A, right click, and you need to go down and press show more options, and you can press print at the top. This opens up. In the top left, choose the printer and select print to PDF. At the bottom, choose if you want to fit picture to frame. I won't. And you can then go and choose the layout over to the right. So in this case, I'll go and have 2 per page. Then you can go and press print like so in the bottom right, and you can then choose where it's saved. I'll go and put it on my desktop and go and press save and go and wait. And we can then go and open it up. And here we are. That's it. You can then do what you want to with it. Leave a like if you found this useful.